Nicole, nigga, you tried to play me, but that took your soul. But I don't want it now, nigga, you can have that. Money on my mind, spend a check and get it right back. And now I'm bossed up, and now I'm sauced up, and now I'm charged up, and now I'm blessed up.
Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl, Abby Nicole, and today I'm here with another video. Today I'm here with this Hairvivi wig. They sent me a bomb-ass wig again, y'all, and I'm really excited. So here I'm unboxing it, nothing crazy. They give me some clips. I'm a fucking call. Okay, now this wig is very interesting because if you look inside of the wig, it has elastic bands that look like the bra strap clips, and you can tighten them to your liking, where it's comfortable. And here I'm just showing you the hairline, which is pretty nice. The knots are already bleached, but me, of course, I'm gonna go ahead and pluck it. So here I'm gonna just show you guys me plucking on the mannequin head. So what I do is part the front, the very front, and I pluck behind the hairline. Part, pluck, part, pluck. I also like to pluck in the front a little bit, and then I ended up parting. So you'll see that. Also, when you're plucking, make sure you're combing as you're plucking so you don't make no bald spots. You can't have no bald spots in our motherfucking wigs. Okay? Alright, so after that process, and again, the plucking process takes some time, so be patient and don't be afraid of losing hair because you need to lose some hair. We don't got time for that baby doll hairline. So now I'm going to apply the blink, okay? And I have my cap on already from when Blaze last did my hair, so it's just on there. So now I'm gonna cut the lace, and my key to doing these wigs, now this wig could be glueless, but I just wanted to tack it down just a little bit with some Got To Be spray. Make sure you have the hair out your way and clipped out your face, you guys. That's gonna make the wig installation so much easier when you don't have the flyaways all up in your way. So just spray. As you can see, the wig is pretty much down. I just wanted to spray it just to spray and show you guys how I do it, but you don't need to even do that. You can just swoop your baby hairs and go with this wig. And then you're gonna blow dry a little bit, tie it down, and then take it off. Okay, so I accidentally got my face oil in my hair, so it got on the wig and it started to make the wig way down, but I felt like I needed to go through with my flat iron because the ends were too swoopy. Like, I look like Sally. Like, I don't got time for that. So I went through and I just straightened the ends, bumped it just a little bit, not too much, and wore it in the middle part to show you guys. I honestly like the wig, but I just feel like they brought the roots down way too low, and I feel like the roots were a little too dark. So if they had like a little bit of root and it was lighter, it would have been perfect. So then I'm going to show you guys how I do my baby hairs. I use my Got To Be gel with my lot of body foaming mousse, and I just swoop it into the hairline.
Just call him my body.
So here I was just showing you guys a couple styles, and I know my makeup might look a little lighter here. It's because I was using a different lens and stuff like that. Anyway, all right, so apart from my mistake of getting too much oil in the hair, the luster, the feeling, the texture, the flow was pretty much really nice. Apart from the hair dye job at the root, the wig is very good quality, no shedding, no problem. Like when I was straightening it, the hair was just doing what it was needed to do. So big ups to Hairvivi again. Thank you guys for sponsoring this video, sending me a bomb ass wig, and I got to include it in my nude series. But now we on the white series, y'all, so make sure y'all follow me on Instagram so y'all can see that white series. Make sure y'all follow Hairvivi. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and if you do buy some Hairvivi, let them know Abby B sent you, period. Okay, see y'all next one. Love you, bye.